As of 2024, Apple CarPlay comes standard in virtually all new Toyota models. This guide will walk you through setting up both wired and wireless connections in your Toyota vehicle. For a wired connection, you'll need a USB-A to Lightning cable. First, locate the designated CarPlay USB port in your Toyota's center console. Connect your iPhone using the USB-A to Lightning cable. Make sure to use the cable that came with your iPhone or a certified MFI cable for best results. Once connected, accept the prompts that appear on both your iPhone and the Toyota display screen. Follow the on-screen pairing instructions to complete the setup. For wireless CarPlay, start by enabling both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your iPhone. Both connections are required for wireless CarPlay to function properly. Next, access your Toyota's infotainment settings menu and select Add Device under the CarPlay settings section. Choose your iPhone from the available devices list and enter the pairing code when prompted. The system will complete the pairing process automatically. The latest Toyota audio multimedia system ensures fast CarPlay connection times, typically connecting in under 10 seconds for both wired and wireless setups. Once Apple CarPlay is connected to your Toyota, you gain access to essential features designed for safe driving. The interface displays your most used apps in a clean, automotive-friendly layout. Apple Maps provides turn-by-turn navigation directly on your Toyota's display, while media apps like Apple Music and Spotify offer seamless audio control through the touchscreen or steering wheel buttons. Siri integration allows hands-free operation through your steering wheel controls. You can make calls, send messages, and control navigation without taking your hands off the wheel. To optimize your CarPlay experience, keep your iPhone's iOS updated and regularly clear the CarPlay cache through your iPhone settings. These simple maintenance steps ensure smooth operation. Common CarPlay issues have straightforward solutions. Connection delays can be resolved by resetting network settings, while audio problems often stem from faulty USB cables. For persistent connection issues, resetting your iPhone's network settings is the most effective solution. This clears all saved Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth connections, allowing CarPlay to establish a fresh connection. Apple CarPlay transforms your Toyota's infotainment system into a powerful, safe driving companion. With proper setup and these troubleshooting techniques, you'll enjoy seamless smartphone integration for navigation, communication, and entertainment.